Hey folks, Ray Bassett here. I'm in front of UFit Health here with one of my clients, Vic, right here. How you doing, Vic, this morning?
Hey, I'm doing good, thank you.
Good. And what time do we work out every, Tuesday and Thursday?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we work out at 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, perfect time. So how did you get started? What made you lift weights? How long ago was it?
I really started lifting weights about 10, 12 years ago. Seriously, with the gyms that you've owned or been associated with. I didn't want to grow old any gracefully, you know. I mean, I wanted to grow old gracefully, and I saw people aging and getting weak and out of shape, and I just didn't want to do that.
That's one of my reasons too. Yeah, you know, you want to keep your muscles as long as possible. And we all want to look good. I mean, you're just going to come out and say, I want to look good.
I'm a little vain, yes, yeah. I am.
Anyway, so we're getting ready to do some shoulders and a little bit of legs today. And we'll walk you through a couple exercises and show you what you can do. And how old are you again?
74, I'll be 75 this summer.
Look at that, guys, okay? At what, 74 years old? How about striking a pose? I know I know. Okay, there you go. 74 years old. Okay, and he's not even pumped. Okay, let's go get pumped up.
Let's
go
get pumped.
You can do it too. There you go. How's that feeling?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Look at that, not even out of breath. Pretty good. All right, so how do you feel about those?
They're good exercise. I need to do more leg work.
Yep.
I had an injury a couple of years ago. Had to quit for a little bit, but I'm back.
That's great. And it's in this combination of doing shoulders and legs is not easy. Now, we do our bigger muscle groups for legs on Tuesdays. Today's Thursday, so we do a different type. We do chest and back and squats and hack squats on Tuesdays. And on Thursdays, we do shoulders and then leg extension, leg curls. So we hit all aspects of our legs and we switch it up a little bit so that you're not overtraining. And that works out pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on. Shoulder shrugs. Everybody loves them. Nice. Elbow straight. That's it. Okay, good. All right, how's that feeling?
Whew. Shrugs are hard.
Kind of like picking up your car and putting it back down, huh?
They're tough.
Yeah.
But they're good. I need them.
Okay. Yeah, it also helps your posture and works the trapezius muscles. Okay, let's move on.
All right.
One of your favorite exercise, huh?
Oh yeah, I love to do legs.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Especially these, they kind of burn a little bit.
Oh yeah, I'm starting to feel it now.
Uh-huh.
14, 15.
Okay, nice. I like to ad lib as much as possible. Yeah. Okay, folks, that pretty much wraps up our session for today. How you feeling, Vic? Pretty pumped up for the day?
I feel good. Yeah.
Okay, great. And so now it's recovery time. What's the first meal you usually eat after you work out?
I usually have some protein.
Okay.
Yeah.
A little bit of carbohydrates, help that protein find a muscle cell.
Yeah. I'll eat
and also replenish the glycogen storage.
A rice cake.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it doesn't have to be that boring either, folks. It really doesn't. But anyway, so okay, and then you go on with the rest of your day, and then that's it.
That's it.
So
yeah.
Sometimes it's better to work out in the morning. That way you don't have to worry about it all day. You know, I got to work out. So.
And I usually do some cardio during the day too.
Okay.
Whether it's pickleball, treadmill.
You have a pool that you swim in too,
I
right?
have a pool. I'll do 100 laps in a pool on my back, all arms, no feet, and I walk 2.6 miles with a 25-pound weighted vest.
Wow.
Also.
Huh. Wow, okay. Most guys your age walk around with a built-in one.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm lacking that.
Yeah, so anyway, at 74 years old, folks, you can look like this too. Okay, all you have to do is give me a call, and we're at UFit Health here, and it's a great facility. You know, it's good equipment. What do you
It's
think?
beautiful. It's clean, neat.
Yep, nice bathrooms too, ladies. Okay. Anyway, man. All right, so we're going to say goodbye, and all right, let me walk you out the door.
Okay.